Final lesson for this part of the chapter is a little bit of algebraic manipulation. So basically we're going to be using our solving equations skills, but we're doing them with two variables going on at the same time. It's really not different from what you're used to, it's just a little bit odd. So it starts off 4x plus y equals 0. So what you need to think to yourself is to get it into y equals mx plus b format, y's got to be alone. So looking at this one, over here with the y is a 4x. So follow my normal rules. I'm going to subtract 4x. By doing that, I just have a y left over here. Which one should I write first based on my format? mx plus b. So I want the negative 4x to come first, and I have a plus 0, which means my y-intercept is just 0. So this is actually y equals negative 4x. Y-intercept is 0. My slope is negative 4, so down 4, and to the right 1. Connect the dots. Take a look down here. Drop a line down your equal sign. You're trying to get this y piece by itself. So we need to take care of this 10x. So I'm going to subtract 10x, 10x. Notice they're not like terms, so I kind of keep it off to the side. The 10x is crossed off. I'm still left with negative 3y. I'm going to put the negative 10x first because I want mx plus b format. My final step here is to get the y all by itself. So negative 3y means negative 3 times y. So I'm going to divide by a negative 3. Over here, I could just put a big old divide by negative 3, but that has a tendency to confuse me. So I'm going to kind of break it up into the pieces. Notice there's two different terms over here, negative 10x and negative 15. So I'm going to take each term and divide by negative 3. So y equals, don't worry about your x right now, just look at your numbers. Negative 10 over negative 3, it's going to become positive, but you're going to leave it as 10/3 and attach your x. Negative 15 over negative 3, you're dividing, so it's going to give you a positive 5, so plus 5. So what you can do here, plot your plus 5, your y-axis. 10/3, you can think about it as negative 10 over negative 3. So you would go down 10 and to the left 3. And then you're going to connect your dots. Positive slope, y-intercept of 5. Take a look at this one. Y is over here, but there's an x, so subtract the x. Y equals negative x minus 3. So my slope is negative 1, and my y-intercept is negative 3. Plot your y-intercept. From there, go down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1 to show your slope of negative 1. Connect your dots. On the back side, there's 2 more. I would say pause the video, try them by yourself, and then come back to check your answers. In the first one, move your x over. Divide by negative 2, divide each term by negative 2. Negative 1 over negative 2 is a positive 1/2 x. Negative 6, negative 2 is a positive 3. Positive 3, your slope is 1/2, so go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. Over here, subtract your 9x. Y equals negative 9x plus 4. Positive 4 is your y-intercept. To get the negative 9, you need to go down 9 and to the right 1. Kind of tricky to draw that straight because it's super steep, but that's how you do it.